Hello everyone. Today in this module we will study about relationship between planning and controlling. Planning is meaningless without controlling. Planning can be successful only in the presence of controlling. It means that if the control is not present, then it is useless to do planning. It is useless to have plans. If the process of controlling is taken away from management, then no person working in the enterprise will take it seriously to work according to the plans, and consequently the plans will fail. So, we can conclude that there is no meaning of planning if there is no controlling in the organization. That will be a complete useless exercise. Controlling is blind without planning. Why? Because controlling is done on the basis of some standards, and which function provides these standards? These standards are provided by planning. So, under the system of controlling, actual work for performance is compared with the standards. These standards are determined under planning. It is therefore said that control is blind without planning. That is, it is without any base, because the base is in the form of standards, and which is providing the base to controlling. These standards are set in which function? In planning. Planning is looking ahead, whereas controlling is looking back. This already we have studied in features of planning and controlling. Plans are always formulated for future and determine the future course of action for the achievement of objectives laid down. All of you know planning is futuristic in nature. On the contrary, controlling is looking back, because under it a manager tries to find out after the work is completed whether it has been done according to the standards or not. It is thus clear that planning is looking ahead while controlling is looking back or looking into the past. Next is opposite of the previous one. Planning is looking back, whereas controlling is looking ahead. Why planning is called looking back? Because you make plans on the basis of past happenings, on the basis of your past experience. So planning is called looking back because plans are formulated on the basis of happenings of the past or on the basis of the experience. On the other hand, controlling evaluates the work done in the past, but under it corrective action is taken. Why you are taking corrective actions? So that deviations do not occur again in future. Hence, there should not be any hesitation in saying that planning looks backward while controlling looks ahead. Just keep in mind, planning is done on the basis of past events, on the basis of past experience, and controlling evaluates the performance and suggests the corrective action so that deviations may not occur again in future. Planning is prescriptive, whereas controlling is evaluative. Because planning involves creative thinking, imagination and sound judgment, and prescribes an appropriate course of action for achieving objectives. And it is controlling which evaluates whether that appropriate course of action that has been followed up properly or not for the achievement of the objective. So controlling checks whether decisions have been translated into desired action. So planning is prescriptive, whereas controlling is evaluative.
So these are the points which define the relationship between planning and controlling. Number 1, planning is meaningless without controlling, while controlling is blind without planning. Planning is looking ahead, whereas controlling is looking back. And reverse, planning is looking back and controlling is looking ahead. Planning is prescriptive while controlling is evaluative.
So controlling helps in better planning and planning helps in better controlling. That's all for the day. Thank you.